Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. And now we're making multivitamins body oil. Multivitamin body oil is a very natural oil from natural products, organic, safe for your skin, and even safe for children's skin. You can use this for your hair, you can use this for your body. It lightens, clarifies the skin, smoothens the skin, removes white spots, stretch marks, glows the skin, softens the skin. The goodies is endless, the benefit is endless. So let's go straight right into the video. I have my tangerine peels, tangerine, or you call it clementine. I have my peels. I'm just making a small quantity. I have my carrots, which I've diced, and I have my lemon peel, which I grated. I grated this, and I'm going to put all of these three ingredients in my blender. I'm going to blend it with no water but oil, and I'm using coconut oil for this. I'm using coconut oil because it clears white spots and it helps clear stretch mark. It's high in vitamin E and is safe for children as well. So I'm going to blend all of this together, blend them. Even if it's not properly blended, that's okay, but try at least to blend them together. Do not put any water. And after it's blended, I'm going to take all of these ingredients and put it in my pot. When I put it in my pot, or crock pot if you have crock pots, make sure you put the fire on a low heat. Low heat. Do not let it cook. Do not let it boil. Just low heat. The heat is what is going to help the liquid from the peels and the carrots to evaporate. So there you see, it's on the fire, and my fire has been turned to the lowest of the low. My cooker is on the low heat. So you're going to cook this for at least 10 minutes. That's all you need, 10 minutes. Do not allow this to boil. If it boils, take it off the fire and let it cool. Please do not allow it boil. Occasionally, you can turn it and stir it, but do not let it boil, please. 10 minutes at least, so all the liquid can evaporate. I'm just loving the color of this. Honestly, the color is so beautiful. All right, so while it's been cooking for like 10 minutes, you can see it's simmering, not really boiling per se, but simmering. I'm going to add turmeric powder. This is a teaspoon. I'm not going to add a full teaspoon, just a half teaspoon, because I'm making about 200 mils of this oil. That's the quantity I'm making. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in the oil, because I don't want too much heat on the turmeric powder. If it was fresh turmeric, then I'll do it from the beginning, blending it together. So now my oil is ready, and I'm straining it from the sift. Straining it, press with my spatula so the rest of the oils can come out. And now the residue, the shafts from the peel and the carrots, I'm not going to throw that away. I'm going to use this for a fantastic body scrub. I'll make a video of that, and trust me, I'll share that with you. So my oil is ready. Beautiful color, looking golden. I'm going to let this cool down to room temperature. I'll let the oil cool down to room temperature. So this is my shaft from the carrots and the peels. When my oil cools down, I'm going to put my essential oil, orange essential oil, and lime. You can also put lemon, but what I have is lime and orange essential oils. You put about 5 drops or 10 drops of each. That's good. That lemon and the orange essential oil are going to help boost the orange and the lemon peel efficacy, will make them to be more potent. So now my oil is cooled down into room temperature, and I'm adding my essential oils. few drops of that. That's good enough. So that's going to help boost the efficacy of the orange tangerine peel and the lemon peel, to make the percentage of the vitamin C to be high. So yeah, my oil is ready, but there's still some few ingredients I have to put, but that one I can put it in the bottle and shake. Can't you see how beautiful this oil is? Like, gosh, and you should smell it. The smell is just heavenly. That orange, natural, zesty smell. So now it's completely cooled down. I don't need any preservatives for this oil because there's no moist water or anything inside. So what I have here is vitamin A capsules and vitamin E. I'm going to put about, say, half a teaspoon of vitamin E, and I'm going to put 2 capsules of 1000 milligrams of vitamin A, and that's it. Shake, 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 shake the bottle, and your oil is ready to use. You can mix this oil with your creams. You can add lightening oil or concentrates into it and use as a body whitening oil. You can use it as it is for kids. Use it as it is for kids. Do not add any other lightening product, please. Just use it like that for kids. Thank you all for watching, and please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos. Thank you. More videos coming up.